Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about something different. I want to talk to you about business coaching. So if you're in the stage of your business that you are growing it, that you have been operating for a few months, a good step to knowing which direction to take is to work with a business coach or a business mentor. And on the Facebook groups, I often come across posts of people who invested badly in business coaching. These are posts like relating to the investments that people regret, and they often mention paying for business coaching or business mentoring that didn't really bring results, didn't really produce any results. And people say that obviously regret the um, choosing this particular coach, this particular mentor. Obviously, no names are being mentioned by majority of people. However, since I started working with business coaches and business mentors, I know that not everyone is equal, but you can actually, after a while, after a few chats, you can actually pick up which ones match your strategy, which ones really understand. So, good thing to look for is to find a coach or a mentor that offers a free initial chat. And this is a really good opportunity for you to get to know them, get to understand how they work, get to really see if they understand your business, if they made an effort to sort of made little research about you, about your business, and if they actually made an effort to learn about you before the chat. And what I really like to do is actually have have a chat. So perhaps I will show you. I will give you a few ideas of the initial chats and how they went, and how the initial chat actually helped me to pick the coach that I worked with, and that he really made a difference. He really made a difference to my business. So the first business coach, the first actually it was life coach. It was a lady. That was the first. That was the first time I actually had anything to do with a life coach or a business coach, and we I think our initial chat was about 1 hour long, and she was asking me questions. So it was a free chat. She was asking me questions. She was trying to understand my situation, where my life is, and where I want to go. However, she didn't give me any tips. But obviously, I didn't want to discard her. But at the same day, I had another chat with a business coach that I ended up working with, and the reason why I picked him was because I saw the results after the initial chat. I already saw the results that he produced. He gave me a few tips that I started implementing, and I already saw the result in my revenue almost instantly, almost the next day. So that's why, it made me think, if he managed to produce such a great result after initial chat, it is definitely guaranteed that if I book a full paid session with him, he's sure to produce quite good results. And that was true. So this was the first session that I had with him, and it was fantastic. It was really good. It helped me a lot. But then I was still researching business coaches to help me with my business strategy, and some of them didn't really understand my business, didn't really understand my goals. One of them that I chatted with yesterday morning, actually, the chat was like, he was in between the meetings, he was on the mobile, and he didn't really made. I don't think he made really effort to look at my business, to look at my website, and understand what I'm doing, because He thought that I'm a copywriter because of the business name, so obviously he didn't even realize that I'm offering SEO services. And I think his offer was as group coaching, so that's not something what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like one-on-one coaching instead of group coaching. So this is something to be aware of. It's better to pick one-on-one, because obviously this strategy will be tailored to your business and to your needs and to your goal. If you pick group coaching, it's like what it is. It's like going to the school that you have, all the plan, all the sort of all the tips are for everybody else, but each business is different, so you need different tips, you need different strategy. So group coaching won't give you this kind of unique look at how you can grow your particular business. So yeah, when picking business code, make sure that you pick one with a free that offers free initial chat. See if you get results after the chat, and pick the coach that is within your budget and can deliver results after the free chat. This is really guaranteed way to be satisfied, to be happy with who you pick. So I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, please click like right now under this video. Please subscribe for more e-commerce, more motivational tips, and I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.